Day one of CollectCon was absolutely stacked with fire deals, crazy collections, but the best part, catching up with friends. But trust me, it only got crazier. We had the whole gang at the booth handing out free Pokemon packs to the kids, and within seconds, a massive crowd swarmed the table, packs were flying, the energy was insane. One little dude even ripped an SIR right on the spot. It was an unforgettable way to kick off the weekend, so sit back, relax, and...
All right, we're buying these from Brian, Chinese Magikarp Wailord. 2 Yokohama Pikachu Championship cards and the Gengar from Mana Forces for $13.60, right? Count this, I think this is $600 so far. How much was that? $600, right? Yeah. I owe you how much total? $13.60?
Yeah.
So $7.60 more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 40 and 60. Boom. There you go. $7.60, bro. Yes, sir. Yes. Cash? How much? How much?
45.
I can't. That's way too high for me, I'm sorry. It's like $6.50, I think. How much is this? How much is this?
I think it's like 100. I have curiosity that the charge of that.
Right? What are comps? 650, 640. Sure, and what is this? Okay. So that's 1380, 200 more. 200 more, you could take some illustration rare. Give it to him, give him Zard, give him Zard. All right, so Michael is trading in his Mario PSA 10. In exchange, we're gonna give him a bunch of slabs. We're giving him Darkrai, Zard, Blaziken, Hidden Fate Zard, Charizard V-Star. He's also getting Gengar VMAX, Rosa, Pikachu Zekrom Tag Team, Rayquaza V, Giratina V, Slowpoke Psyduck, Moltres Zapdos Articuno, Squirtle, Umbreon VMAX, Charizard V, Mewtwo V-Star, and Lily. All right, there you go, brother. And this as well. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Which one? Which one? Just Luigi? What's your offer?
What do you have it at? Your product.
It takes 2 to tango.
Your product.
I'm asking 11.5.
That's too high.
Call me a number.
Obviously, it's too high. He's already.
But if you say a number, I'm gonna hold you to it.
9's is the lowest I've seen it here. Yeah.
9K? People have it at 9?
I'll show you this.
I need this.
Is that an RM? How much is that worth?
Huh?
How much is that? Babe, his watch is 400 grand. What do you do for work?
A little bit of everything.
Wow.
Real estate.
Little bit of printing, little bit of printing.
Hey, Rev, you want to see a $400,000 watch? He has a $400,000 watch on his wrist. All right, what do we want to do, brother? I don't want that Gold Sucker Ninja bullshit.
Cover the difference.
Cover the difference. Put this away. This is too good. Hold on, let me put this away.
That's like 3K now.
5K for me. All right.
270.
Hell no. 100 each. That's like 80 bucks.
We have 40 of these in the office. I'm not even.
Do we? All right.
We
No.
don't need more.
180, 230.
230? No, 230.
How much is that drowsy?
That card was like 700.
Yeah, how much is it now? 200? No way. How much do you weigh right now, Rev? Well, I'll guess. With legs like that, where you're like 5'3". You are.
170?
Yeah, 165. Higher?
178.
Wow. Can you guess how much I am? I'm fat.
Probably like 195.
193. Yeah. Wow. You deserve a Milky Bag for that. 250.
260.
No. No, you own my good card.
What?
I have 34 million of these.
It's okay, you can say some more.
No.
And this, it's a these three. So that's actually 384.
Nah, I just 50.
I'll let you cook me on this.
Bring me better stuff. Bro, I'm about to cook you. Ready? 80.
That's 100.
100. No way.
Compass.
260 and 370. Happy? 810. Throw me 200. Bro, throw me 200.
I'll take this and.
No. This is better than this.
No, it's.
This is Garbaggio.
No.
No.
Have faith in it.
No.
That's mine.
No. 400.
Whoa.
450 comp. There's a 450 comp.
530. It has to be at least in the fives.
It's like 2 grand.
500. Nice.
I wanted it to be a tax.
You want to do it or no? We'd be at 500, 370.
380. I'm up to 380 on this. I say 100.
Give me 80 bucks. Done. Happy? Happy? Done.
You said 5?
What?
5 on that?
Yeah.
5, 370 or 380?
370 and 100. Done. Straight.
I like this.
Okay, give me 80 bucks cash.
You can't do straight? You can't do just this?
No! What's your name?
David.
David? All right, David just got cooked. He's taking the Umbreon Darkrai Japanese. We're taking all this from him. I know you are. I'm joking. You didn't get cooked. It's a good deal for you.
Honestly, no.
We're taking the Gold Star Granite that's overvalued, and Zapdos and Venusaur aren't bad, but this, I don't know. We're taking this as well. PC, right? It'll be over a K soon. Is that a 9, the Celebi? Oh my god, I remember this. I've had this for like a year and a half. It's coming back. This kid's 17. He spent like 80K on my stream. He's a golf caddy. What did your dad do?
Yeah, I knew they were gonna bring this up with you adults, bro. Y'all think we can't make our money?
Okay, wait, what about those? You're trying to milk me. You're trying to milk me, kid.
These are old. They're kind of cool.
Say it again.
I'm gonna sell these to ACC. I'm selling these to ACC, and then this one I.
Selling this to ACC. What the f?
Like
This is your card.
These are 40. These are 40 bombs. That's like 10. That's like 10. That's 50. That's 40. That's like 30.
How is this 50?
It's probably 40.
It's like 30 bucks, bro.
No, I remember when I comped it was like.
Okay, give me all of it. I'll give you 25. Happy? Done. Happy?
I want to sell these to ACC.
No. I'll give you 25 for everything. Deal? And I'll pay you, what'd you say on this?
They're going to fucking ACC. I'm telling you, they're going to ACC.
Why?
Because, bro, I got it. It's a joke. It's just funny. All right, these all do 925.
What? No. What about these?
You said 925 on this.
No, I said 900. You cut your bluff.
Do you mind signing this?
I caught your bluff, kid.
You did. You have an AMG.
What?
You have an AMG. I'm 925.
Who cares what I have? It says you have an AMG, you can do 925. I have 2 AMGs. I have 2 AMGs. What?
I'm a crazy driver.
Yeah, I bet you are. You're 17. What? I have a 2020 GT, the 2-door. The 2-door, the really cool one. No, just base. Yeah.
GT what, 43 or 63?
No, it's a V8. It's the 2-door one. It's really rare. I'm not paying you 25 each. I'm not paying you 20. Or I'll pay you 20, 500 bucks. I'll give you 1,400. 1,400, done. Shake my hand, 1,400, Blake.
Oh yeah. Nah, do 14.
13, 15, Philip.
Hold on, wait. What are we at right now? We're at 14.
What?
Let's do
13
or 15, yeah.
Done.
Alright, he's gonna get cooked right now. Here we go.
We're gonna buy this,
I'm chefing this. Kid.
Mewtwo, and then a bunch of floors.
17-year-old, here we go.
Give me the coin, kid. Give me the coin.
No, you're not flipping.
Oh, you call.
What if it's weighted?
I'll flip.
What if it's weighted? Call it in the air. Call it. 13 or 1,500. You say heads?
Hey, what do you Look.
What's your PayPal?
17-year-old.
What's your
Cooking
PayPal?
marble.
What's your PayPal? What's your PayPal?
Johnny can buy bags on Monday.
What?
I need cash.
Let me double count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much? Holy sh**.
Oh, crack that was got it. Why?
What's this worth?
I don't even know how much that is.
300?
It's like 3 to 3.
It's like 350 on it.
How much you want for it?
320, it's clean.
No, I'll coin flip you 250 or 300.
Just do 300.
No. 250, 300 flip.
300.
250, 300? Pass. Marcus, 3?
Yeah, Mark.
270.
250 max.
260?
No.
Take it.
250?
Take it. I'll let you milk me.
I'll let you milk me, it's crazy.
Oh wait, and guard. You want those?
How much? How much?
They're like 35 a piece.
Are these the V2s? Yeah. Do we have space for this?
No.
How much?
They're like 35. I might top, right?
I'll give you $100.
Yo, what's up?
How much are they going?
30. 35.
$100. I gotta figure out how to take them home. Just shake my hand if you want a $100 bill.
Yeah. Times 10, buddy. Times 10. I appreciate you, bro.
Okay,
Hold on.
so this,
Put the phones away, money away, get all this stuff
so this is an annual ceremony at this point?
Annual ritual.
Holy shit.
Here we go.
Oh, we're gonna get marked.
Here we go, baby.
There's gonna be like 500 people here in like 5 minutes. Children of CollectCon!
What's free packs?
All right, so we're giving away a booster box case of Surging Sparks, Journey Together, 2 Temporal Forces, Obsidian Flames, Twilight Masquerade, Obsidian Flames. What else? Another Obsidian Flames.
We got Surgeon Sparks, Journey, and then
Yeah, a bunch of other stuff. We got. Oh God, here we go. Should I throw it?
open them.
Make it rain! Make it rain!
Oh my God, hit someone's head. So sorry.
Oh my God!
We gotta rip the packs.
You gotta open the back.
Make it rain!
Yeah, no sealed collection.
Open the backs. Now open the backs.
Everybody, open your packs!
Anybody who has a child, bring them up here.
Any children, please move up front, please.
There, rip the pack. No, you
gotta
gotta rip it here.
We want to see a Zard.
Holy shit!
Best bull wins something from this booth.
Poncho Mario! If you pull a Moonbray, I'll give you a Poncho Mario. Exactly.
Someone said grown ass man. Open the packs.
I gotta show you guys what's going on. This is diabolical.
None of you are children.
Oh my God.
Hey, Reverend. Yeah, look at those shoulders.
Run it.
Relax
for everybody.
That's all right.
Hey. Thoughts on Nostalgianomics?
Where are all the children?
I love you. We have Medellin Dean here in the house.
What's up? Goated.
Where are the children, he says?
Where are the little children?
Show me
Why
the
is it all men? It's just all grown men.
We got Ryan Wolf, the infamous scalper. Everybody open them all. Don't listen to her.
You have to open all the packs. Pidgeot SAR.
Pidgeot SAR printing!
You win a graded card.
The SAO. That's the SAO.
SAR. You win something.
Oh my God.
You win something.
Oh,
SAR! Hey, yo, GOATED PULLZ! GOATED PULLZ! How much is this Bubble Mew? What's Bubble Mew go for?
You tell me, bro. TCG player. I don't know. Like what? 220, 230, 280? I don't know. I'm asking.
It's like, I think it's over 300 right now.
Is it gonna make up?
Yeah, PSA 10s are like $1,200. Flip 3 or 320?
No. I'm gonna pick one. It's me and you.
What?
It's me and you. But give the people what they want. What do they want? Firstly, I need a whatnot discount for the rates.
What?
Let's do 200, 400. Come on. You know I'm gonna win. Your coin's no good. Your coin's no good.
That's fine.
You want to flip or
Or you want to use this coin? It's crazy. It's a Japanese championship
Pull it out.
coin. I bought it literally from someone. It's so cool. Look at it. It's a legit Pokemon coin. Someone played a tournament in Japan and they won it. Look how sick it. Feel it?
How much you pay for that?
I paid 10. There's no. I couldn't even comp it. Might be worth like a lot more, but I'm gonna keep it. It's so cool.
You flip coins?
Isn't that sick?
That is banging. I would give you $20 right now.
Dude, I wouldn't sell this for 20.
I know.
It's so sick.
That's banging.
The texture's crazy. The texture's crazy.
That's crazy. Alright, go on then.
Okay.
200, 400.
Charmander, Pokeball.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. Yeah, we call it Charmander Pokemon.
You pick. All right, we're gonna climb flip. Bubble Mew, 200 or 400.
Chance to get your revenge. You ready?
Call it in the air.
I got you, baby.
Say Pokey or Char.
Pokey or Char.
Ready?
Yeah?
3, 2, 1. On the ground. This is heavy.
Just do it here, So
On the table?
Yeah, because it's better, don't really mess up the point. Alright? Just throw my 15k card over there, yeah? Card.
Ready?
Yeah. Charmander. How you going anyway?
Do we count it or no? Redo?
No, go again.
Go again,
Because
redo.
we said it here, innit?
It was Charmander.
Ah, never mind, go on.
Ready?
Again. Ready.
Has to land on table.
And the table.
3, 2, 1.
Charmander. What is this?
I don't know.
I'm just going to
Hit
give
the-
you 300 on this rate.
Final one. Ready?
Yeah, go on.
3, 2, 1.
Charmander. Bro. Let me flip. You call.
No. Ready?
Go on.
3, 2.
Charmander. Yeah! We got the game! Again! All the way from United Kingdom. Look at his face. Look at this handsome man. Salam.
Salam. Thank you.
Hey, this is a sick coin.
It is.
Absolute banging coin.
It's really cool.
That's a. I've never seen him smile so much for a loss.
So this with this?
Yeah, 211, sir.
Why? Because these are sequential? No, wait. That's
Marvin, what do you want for the screen night? You need to color code this.
all right. It.
Thank you.
Double 11, sir. Am I getting cooked at 100 or 200 flip?
You can get a sequential player.
Your shout.
Lying you for no reason.
Guards for guards. What are we doing?
Someone gonna take sequential. You took my guards off.
I keep your guards regardless, and you get no guards.
That's crazy. That's crazy. No, just give me my guards and keep.
You.
I'll just keep the guards. I don't care. Just
All
leave
right.
them on there and you get there.
He's like, give me the shit. You want to use the dog coin?
Yeah. Why not
No.
that one? That's so much cooler.
Use the mega coin.
I think probably sounds like a straw.
All right, show me the cash first. I want to make sure you have money.
100 to 200 bucks.
Yeah.
Flip the damn coin.
I don't trust you. All right, so Mr. William Shao, making Mr. Pokestop TCG, wants to trade in his 4-cert sequential Mario pair, but it has scratches in the back, so it's hard to move. In exchange, we're giving him 11-cert Mario pair, not sequential, with the graded guards. And we're gonna coin flip. He's gonna give me either $100 or $200. Call Charizard or Pokeball. Ready? Call it in the air, baby. I lost again. Okay, that's fine. Go home. You don't want it? Let's go. Tails, heads. Look at my hands from signing.
What do you want to do? 42, 46, 43, 45? What do you want to do?
43, 45.
43, 45.
Cool. Okay, coin flip, Gengar, Mimikyu, 4,300, 4,500. Tails, heads. Ready? Call it in the air, brother.
Tails, baby.
Tails. I lost. Thank you. Jesus. I paid 4,500.
He hit me like 42, 46.
I lost. Stop. I lost. I got
People to him?
I got cooked.